Welcome to Dress Smart, Live Smart. You're here probably because you're looking to create one of those trendy action figure toy boxes. Today, I'll be sharing with you the 5 things that I learned and which I knew before I started the whole process. The first thing you need to know is that Chatgdp free version have a usage limit. You're only allowed 3 image uploads and also 3 image generation in 24-hour time period. So what does this mean? That means you will use 1 out of the 3 images to upload the original picture you want your action figure to be based on. Then Chatgdp will spit out an image, and that will count as 1 out of the 3 image generated for the day. So you make a couple tweaks and you can burn through those 3 uploads and 3 image generations very easily. And if you don't get your prompt right the first time, you might not even end up with the action figure that you're happy with by the time you reach your limit. On the screen, Chatgdp will give you this error here saying that you have to try again in 24 hours or upgrade to Chatgdp Plus for $19.99 a month. Chatgdp Plus, it will actually allow you 80 files for upload in 3 hours or 50 image generation in 3 hours. So it's a lot bigger limit. However, it is $19.99 and a lot of people don't want to spend that money. So which lead me to my tip number 2. My tip number 2 is it's very important for you to be as specific as possible with your first prompt so Chatgdp can incorporate all that information with the first image. This will allow less tweaks later on, and then therefore maybe you're able to generate the image that you want within the daily limit. So in your prompt, don't just say coffee mug. Say, for example, coffee mug with world's best dad written on it. So before you type your first prompt into Chatgdp, think about what you want your action figure to include. Be specific with the color, the size, the age of the figure, any other detail you can think about that will allow Chatgdp to understand your goal a little bit more clearly. Which lead me to my tip number 3. Tip number 3 is when you type the prompt into Chatgdp, don't type it in paragraph form. Chatgdp can't understand me better if I list out the criteria one by one. On the left is when I provided Chatgdp the prompt in paragraph format, and on the right is when I listed out the prompts 1 through 4. As you can see, the right side result is much more accurate. Tip number 4 is that you can upload additional images to incorporate into your toy box action figure. For example, my daughter, she sleeps with this kitty cat stuffy every night. I did not want Chatgdp to use just any random cat stuffed animal for her accessory. I want Chatgdp to include this specific stuffy as her accessory. So I uploaded a picture of the cat and it turned out exactly how I wanted. So if you're like me and you have already burned through your daily limit with Chatgdp, you're probably wondering, hey, are there any other apps or programs that will allow me to create these action figures? That leads me to my tip number 5. Just don't do it. None of them will give you the result Chatgdp does. I've spent about 3 to 4 hours looking at other apps, testing it out, giving it the same prompt that I gave to Chatgdp, and nothing even came close. Everything turned out to be really creepy looking, or it's just not at all what I was looking for. Once you start playing with the action figure prompts in Chatgdp, you will soon to realize that Chatgdp sometimes change things when you don't want them to change. For example, I have a version of this toy box of my daughter. Everything is perfect except for the leotard color. I want it to be light blue, but Chatgdp ended up making her face look older than she is, and then also changing out some of the other accessories. And that can be very frustrating because now I'm going backward in the process. So if this happens to you or you want to know how to prevent this from happening, please go to my next video where I'll be sharing some specific verbiage to type into the prompt to help you with the tweaking and finalizing process of your action figure. So this way they can turn out exactly how you want it.